What makes the perfect pub? For me, it's history, character, and captivating interior. But most importantly, great beer. Whatever type of pub you seek, you'll need an expert to advise on the best ones. Hello, I'm Jane. I host a private tour of historic London pubs. Please join me on a journey around some of my favourites. Welcome to the Black Friar, with its stunning Art Nouveau decor of marble, mosaic, copper and carved wood. It was built on the site of a medieval monastery. Look closely and you'll see the monks working very hard while the lazy devils have all the fun. Even Londoners have difficulty finding this hidden pub. Scotch Egg is a pub classic. Eat with extra hot English mustard, then cool down with beer. Cheers! This former bank was built in the 1880s and became a pub in 1975. Nowadays, the vaults still hold valuables. The pub's champagne and liquor. In the story of murderer Sweeney Todd, his girlfriend Mrs. Lovett turned his victims into pies in a nearby bakery. I chose the vegetarian option. I'm in the Prime Minister's local, the Red Lion. It's the nearest pub to 10 Downing Street and equidistant to the Houses of Parliament. That makes it the real nexus of political power in Britain. The Harp, music to my beers. This pub has won so many awards, it's running out of wall space to display them. The National Portrait Gallery is nearby, but I'd rather be here. Portraits and some of the best beer in the land. This is a gin palace, a term coined in the 19th century to describe only the grandest of pubs. Talk about the United Nations of gin. The George is London's only surviving galleried coaching inn. It was rebuilt in 1677 after the original burned down. Charles Dickens mentions it in his novel Little Dorrit. Thanks for taking my video pub tour. If you want to book a real-life tour, here are the contact details. Hope to see you soon. Bye.